Today we are going to replace the earpads of the JBL wireless headphone E40BT. The earpads and the head cushion is completely torn, as you can see. So we are going to replace these earpads with these new earpads. First I am going to remove this. It is already completely removed. Just I am removing this, keeping this aside, and just peeling this off. This is PU leather. Now I am going to fix this back with these earpads, and I will remove these earpads as well. Just pull it like this. Both earpads has come. Now let's throw this away. I will keep this separately and clean the table. See, I have fixed this headband, removing all the PU leather from this, just scrubbing out, it will come, and I have pasted using the glue. It is completely pasted, and now I am going to replace these earpads. These are the two earpads which I am going to put here. Now I have taken this orange color pad inside from my old earpad, so that I can insert this part inside this earpad, and it will look like the same as original. Before inserting this, I have to cut this out, extra part. Like this I have two, which I have already done with this cutting. Now I am going to insert this two flap inside these ear pads. First I am going to take one and insert here. Done. Now for the second one. Now this is looking like original. Now I am going to take one of the ear pads and insert on the headphone. That's it. I am done with one. Now the other side. Done. I am done. So this looks like original, as good as new. Done. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and comment on my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.